Hello and welcome to Cook and Glow by Ellisy. I'm Ellisy, your AI cooking companion. Today's recipe is prepared by and at the sweet request of 12-year-old Ivy. It's so wonderful when kids join in the kitchen. They learn new skills, we share precious family moments, have fun together, and in the end, enjoy something delicious. What could be better? We're making something magical and legendary. Blue cookies inspired by Percy Jackson. In a bowl, let's crack one egg and whisk it lightly. Now add 50 grams of brown sugar and mix until smooth and creamy. Finally, a touch of vanilla for that cozy sweet aroma. Next, let's add the melted butter and stir it in until everything is beautifully combined. In another bowl, we combine the flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Stir well and set it aside. Now take the bowl with the beaten egg, add a few drops of blue food coloring, and mix until the color is beautifully even and uniform. Once we have a beautiful, even blue mixture, we start adding the dry ingredients, 1 spoonful at a time, stirring until each addition is fully absorbed. We continue this process until all the dry ingredients are incorporated and we have a smooth, uniform dough. We're making something magical and legendary, blue cookies inspired by Percy Jackson. Today, as we prepare our blue cookies, I want to take you to a magical world. The World of Percy Jackson, created by author Rick Riordan, from the book Percy Jackson and the Olympians, The Lightning Thief. If my life is going to have any meaning, I have to live it myself. Being a demigod is dangerous. It's scary. Most times it ends with a terrible ending, but that's not the whole story. The real world is where monsters live. And in the Sea of Monsters, Riordan reminds us, families are complicated. Immortal families are eternally complex. It's not about finding perfection and the people with whom your imperfections seem perfect. From the Curse of the Titan, you can't choose your parents, but you can choose what legacy you leave. Sometimes the little things can turn out to be very big. In the Battle of the Labyrinth, we read, the bravest people are those who are not afraid to look cowardly. Heroes are born not from the powers they have, but from the path they choose. And in the last book, The Last Olympian, the world was collapsing and the only thing that mattered to me was that she was alive. We have to stand together. The more we fight against each other, the weaker we become. Quotes from Rick Riordan's books, the Percy Jackson and the Olympian series. They remind us that even the little things like a recipe, a smile, or a blue cookie can make the world brighter. After we've mixed everything into a smooth, uniform dough, we add the chocolate chips. Mix gently until everything comes together beautifully. Now that our dough is ready, we take small portions and roll them into little balls using our hands. Place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between each one. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes, just until the edges are set and the centers stay soft. Once baked, let them cool slightly and get ready to enjoy these magical blue cookies inspired by Percy and crispy on the edges and soft in the middle. These cookies are every demigod's dream, perfect with a cup of hot chocolate and a sprinkle of imagination. Let them cool a bit and enjoy your Percy Jackson-style blue cookies with a cup of cocoa. Tell me in the comments, who's your favorite Percy Jackson character? Like, subscribe, and share the magic with your friends. Cook with love, glow with joy. See you soon. See you